Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the OKX Wallet taking forever to load or just spins endlessly every time you open it, even when your internet is fine? Here are 3 iPhone fixes that speed it up immediately. First, go to your settings app and then toggle the airplane mode on. Wait for about 15 seconds and then toggle it back off. This resets your entire iPhone's network connection from scratch and forces a clean, fresh signal. This one trick alone fixes the slow loading issue most of the time. If it's still slow in the settings, go ahead and scroll down to find the OKX wallet in the app list or just directly search for it. Once you find it, tap on it and make sure that background app refresh is switched on. Now this OKX wallet always starts loading from 0 every time you open it, which makes it feel very slow. Finally, on settings, go to general. Go to iPhone storage and check the storage bar at the top. If your iPhone is nearly full, apps like OKX Wallet run noticeably slower. Tap offload app on unused app to free space quickly. So all you've got to do is turn on airplane mode to reset network, background app refresh on for OKX Wallet, free iPhone storage, and OKX Wallet will load fast again, and that's it. Subscribe.